how to contact Mercari customer service. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact Mercari customer service. So to contact Mercari customer service is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Mercari account. Once you're logged in, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and click on it. Then amongst the options displayed, you can see home, my listings, seller dashboard, my purchases, favorite, settings, help center. So just click on that. After clicking on help center, you will be brought to the help center's page where you would see articles, featured articles that have addressed certain questions, commonly asked questions on Mercari. And by the time you scroll down as well, you'll see other topics as well. So you can just select the category you fall under and what you're trying to search for, search inquiries for. And then if you cannot find it, you just scroll down and click on the contact us option so that you can speak directly to the customer support. So after clicking on contact us and you're brought to the contact us page, you can see the write up here which says you can find answers to most questions in a few seconds on your other status page, etc. So now you can just scroll down and you have to select the category you fall under. So which of them do you want to ask question about? Do you want to ask a question about your orders or your account or your payments, etc. You have to select one. Then by selecting the one you want, you'll be able to get help through that means. For example, if it's about orders and you click on help, then you'll be brought to a page. You would also have to streamline your question to what you want and eventually you would get your solution. So this is how you can contact Mercari customer support. Thank you and have a smooth ride on the application.